Your brain is designed to avoid hard things. That's why you procrastinate, quit early, and choose comfort. But what if I told you you can train your brain to actually want hard things? Most people think discipline is about willpower. It's not. It's about rewiring your brain so hard things feel normal, even addictive. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that and step by step, why your brain hates hard things. Your brain has one job, to keep you safe and save energy. It pushes you toward easy things, scrolling, watching, avoiding. You're not lazy, you're just untrained. The mindset shift. Here's the truth. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your habits. If your brain is trained to avoid discomfort, you'll always run from hard things. But if you train it, everything changes. Train your brain. 1. Start small. Don't try to become a machine overnight. Start with something small but uncomfortable. Cold shower. 10 minutes of focused work. One difficult task. Your brain learns through repetition, not intensity. 2. Remove choice. Motivation fails because you rely on feelings. Instead, remove the decision. Set a rule. I do this no matter what. No thinking, just action. 3. Reward the pain. Your brain loves rewards, so after doing something hard, celebrate it, even in a small way. This builds a connection. After a few days, something strange happens. The things you hated start feeling easier, then normal. Then, you actually miss them when you don't do them. You don't need more motivation. You need a trained mind. Start small, stay consistent, and teach your brain one thing. We do hard things. If you made it this far, comment, no more excuses, and subscribe to Self Analytics.